13 multiplied by 14. How can I use this number line to help me with my multiplication? First, I need to set up my number line. 0 to 20 is too small. I don't think 0 to 100 will do either. 13 is a bit more than 10, and 14 is close to 15. 10 multiplied by 15 equals 150, but I'm going to make a custom number line to 200 just in case. I can use these bars to help me show multiplication. For example, hops of 10, 10, 20, 30 is like 3 times 10. 13 hops of 14 is a lot of work. Instead, I'll decompose 13 into 10 times 14, which equals 140, and then add 3 more hops of 14, which is 42, giving me a total of 182. But what about multiplication with larger numbers, like 67 times 48? I'll need to customize my number line because 67 is about 70 and 48 is about 50. 70 times 50 is 3,500. To make my numbers easier to work with, I'm going to decompose them again. 60 times 50 is 3,000, and 7 times 50 is 350. So now I know that 67 times 50 is 3,350, but that is too much. I only need 48. I need to zoom in to see my numbers better. Now I'll take away two groups of 67. For my answer of 3,216. Let's think of it another way. With multiplication, order doesn't matter. I can think of 67 times 48 as 67 hops of 48 or 48 hops of 67. I like to deal with less hops, so I'm going to think of it as 48 hops of 67. If I take 4 hops of 670, I get 2,680. Now I can add on 8 jumps of 67. Giving me the same total of 3,216. There are many ways to model 67 times 48. I've demonstrated two alternatives. In the last case, instead of adding on 8 hops of 67, I could have added on one more hop of 670. And hopped back 67 twice, and still getting 3,216. Feel free to decompose numbers as you see fit as you explore two-digit multiplication on a number line.